Want Snapchat to be easier on your eyes at night? Or maybe you just prefer the sleek look of a dark theme? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly turn on dark mode in Snapchat. Open the Snapchat app on your phone and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you straight to your profile page. From here, look at the top right corner and tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Now scroll down slowly until you see the app appearance option. Tap on it to open. Inside this menu, you'll see a few different choices. By default, Snapchat is usually set to match system or light mode. If you want dark mode to always stay on, select always dark. This will keep Snapchat in dark mode no matter what your phone settings are. If instead you want Snapchat to follow your phone's theme, choose match system. That way, it will turn dark automatically whenever your phone switches to dark mode. Once you've selected your option, just tap Apply Theme at the bottom, and that's it. Your Snapchat will now switch to the darker look you prefer. If this guide helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one.